outside the window, watching life go by. The air felt so clean and good as I held your hand in mine. These are the memories of a certain place and time, the ones I left behind. They're somewhere in my mind. I wish that I knew why. I wish that I knew why. Days turn to weeks and summer is gone before we know. The green fades from leaves and trees carry away the falling snow. Where does the time go? It used to move so slow. I'd really love to know. Just look at how you've grown. You were just a child with such a brilliant smile and a heart that's made of gold, a soul that's free and wild. And I was just like you. You were on my side. You were just a child. You were just a child. This isolation was always a part of the plan. There's a new medication, and it's happening again. These are the memories of a certain place and time. These are the memories of a certain place and time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. They home gone, am I late? Did I miss the invite? Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Where did you go? Was that you that just drove past the house? Is it me that they're laughing at when I step out? Maybe I'm paranoid, feels like I let everyone down. Feels like everybody's thinking I'm a nobody now. I had to write myself a letter just to know it get read. I drink myself back to life to make sure I ain't dead. But I ain't dead yet. Is there a number to call? Is there a place I can hide? Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. No, you don't. Slap myself around just to feel any pain. And if it do any good, you know I'd do it again and again. You know, these things that I've done, they won't mean shit when I die. You know, these songs that I've sung, they won't make anyone cry. Maybe it's me, I can't tell, 'cause I ran out of time. Is this thing on? I can't tell, 'cause you never reply. Now I'm done my complaining, you just read my mind, that's you on the line. I awoke all alone on a Sunday playing games with the names in my head. It's a shame I can't change, maybe one day you come crawling back to me instead. We keep spinning in this game, no one's winning if we just take a little more time. I could breathe and relieve the anxiety just knowing you'll always be mine. Maybe I believe in the language of love. It's written in the heavens and the stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right. It just takes a little time. Some might say there's a way to be open and honest with the voice in your head. It's okay, I can't blame you for hoping it all works out the right way instead. But it's no secret, I know that we can keep it beside this picture of you and I. But I could breathe and relieve the anxiety just knowing you'll always be mine. Maybe I believe in the language of love. It's written in the heavens and the stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right. Maybe there is something you and I can do. Just try to close your eyes, make believe that it's true. I know that it's waiting there for just me and you in the air tonight. There's a magic we cannot see. It's there whispering to you and to me. All I know is that we have to believe in us. Maybe I believe in the language of love. It's written in the heavens and the stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right. Maybe there is something you